Put squeezy boots on her legs?
No, should have.
Fully?
Should put.
Alright, can I give you that back? Give me a different forceps, please. You have the regular Asin. It's very exciting that the FDA finally got its approval, and I'm excited to roll out the good success with your patients. Are they happy with the device?
Extremely happy.
The U.S. clinical trial consisted of 502 women done by 45 plastic surgeons throughout the United States. The longest follow-up is now over 5 years. The results of the trial showed a very high level of patient satisfaction and surgeon satisfaction. We were pleased to see a low incidence of capsular contracture, which is a tightening of the scar around a breast implant. In fact, it was lower than other published reports of breast implants. We had 23 implants fail, deflate during the trial, but they were all due to early defects at a manufacturing plant that did our initial implants, and that problem has been corrected.
It's about.
What is it?
Shells of the implant, and there's one within another within another. If you look very closely, you can see the other shells within the shells.
Right.
Which is the whole baffling system. The saline or silicone for that matter.
Yeah, feels great.
They love the look of the implant. They love the feel of the device, and none of them have had problems. And when I say problems, I say that could be anything from a device rupture, a device malposition, a capsular contracture, an infection, rippling that is visible or able to be felt in a majority of the breast. For the most part, the women are very, very happy with the device.
When patients come in and want to learn about these implants, and you're going to demonstrate and also put them under something that simulates the skin so they can feel them.
It bounces way further. 3.
Type of implant that was placed. This is the Ideal Implant. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that has the characteristics
Yes,
of
exactly
a saline. Anyhow, this is the saline implant, and you can tell that it has sort of ripples and. Wouldn't it be great if you could just have the positives from both? And that's exactly what the Ideal Implant is. It's a hybrid technology, just like cars or other things. Why not take the advantages of the best of all features? And this is designed, it's a pure saline implant, but it's made to look and feel like a silicone gel implant. It has a low edge contour, so it fits to the body, so you don't feel the edge of it like a saline implant. It's more softer and less chance of getting firm or harder like saline implants, for example.
And versus the Ideal. The Ideal is the one that we really... The Saline was, we were thinking, oh, that's a safe way, but I just didn't like the way they looked. Gravity had taken its toll, nursing had taken its toll, and I just wanted it all back and maybe enhanced a little, and it did that. Now because I enjoy, going to the beach and dressing nice, and it just gives me a lot more confidence.
You can see the volume ranges with a low, high, well.
It gives me the benefit of both a saline and a silicone, because the Ideal Implant is a softer implant like a silicone. It has the same softness. However, it doesn't have the same, an Ideal Implant is a natural substance. It's water. Silicone is not a natural substance. So if I am concerned about a rupture with silicone, I have to have an MRI to find out whether it's ruptured. With an Ideal Implant, that's a natural substance that I don't have to worry about that leaking in my body.
the major risk factor for getting breast cancer is having a breast. So breast cancer remains a disease that every woman should be concerned about and should be aware of. That said, having a breast implant, whether it's silicone, it's saline, or an ideal breast implant, does not predispose you to getting breast cancer at a higher rate, and there's good evidence with existing implants that it does not delay the time of diagnosis. So you can find your breast cancer just as fast with the breast implant as without one.
This is the fill valve for the outer lumen. And then if you look at the volumes, and then